أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful.
ياسين
Yasin,
والقرآن الحكيم.
by the wise Quran,
إنك لمن المرسلين.
indeed you, O Muhammad, are from among the messengers,
على صراط مستقيم.
on a straight path.
تنزيل العزيز الرحيم.
This is a revelation of the exalted in might, the merciful,
لتنذر قوما ما أنذر آباؤهم فهم غافلون.
that you may warn a people whose forefathers were not warned, so they are unaware.
لقد حق القول على أكثرهم فهم لا يؤمنون.
Already the word has come into effect upon most of them, so they do not believe.
إنا جعلنا في أعناقهم أغلالا فهي إلى الأذقان فهم مقمحون.
Indeed, we have put shackles on their necks, and they are to their chins, so they are with heads kept aloft.
وجعلنا من بين أيديهم سدا ومن خلفهم سدا فأغشيناهم فهم لا يبصرون.
And we have put before them a barrier, and behind them a barrier, and covered them, so they do not see.
وسواء عليهم أأنذرتهم أم لم تنذرهم لا يؤمنون.
And it is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them. They will not believe.
إنما تنذر من اتبع الذكر وخشي الرحمن بالغيب فبشره بمغفرة وأجر كريم.
You can only warn one who follows the message and fears the most merciful unseen. So give him good tidings of forgiveness and noble reward.
إنا نحن نحيي الموتى ونكتب ما قدموا وآثارهم وكل شيء أحصيناه في إمام مبين.
Indeed, it is we who bring the dead to life and record what they have put forth and what they left behind. And all things we have enumerated in a clear register.